Oh shit!
Got it on tape?
Yeah. We done?
No, we're not done. We're starting over.
Damn. Persistence. You all right? Did you bust the cable?
I was expecting to stop and no brakes. What's it popping on the head stand?
I don't feel so bad anymore, thank God.
Was it? I'm busting my ass now?
Yes.
Dude, that makes number 3 on this bike. I heard you work group. These 20 minutes. Oh shit, a train.
The train coming?
Yeah, we got a train coming.
Well, let's get on the other side.